Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the drilling procedure in VMC vertical milling machine. Okay, so for drilling operation we are going to use G83. So this is your raw material of dia 80 sorry, not dia, it's a square block of 80 cross 80 of height thickness of 15. Okay, so these are the drill point 1 2 3 4. Drill diameter is 8. Okay, so the 50 means these are 50 mm apart from each other. Okay, so drill dia will be dia 8. Okay, controller is for the Fanuc controller. Usually for dia 8 we don't directly use dia 8, we use 7.8 mm drill bit. The remaining 0.2 mm metal we are going to remove by help of reamer. Okay, but for training purpose I would like to say we are going to use of dia 8 drill bit. Okay, so let's begin the program. The program number will be the 3233. Okay, so first is your homing line G28 G91 Z0 G28 G91 X0 Y0 G40 G54 G80 G90 G21 G94. Okay, then M06 T02 M03 S800. Okay, then G00 Z5, then M8. Okay, then for drilling we are going to write G83. What is the coordinate at point number 1? X will be the minus 25, Y also 25. What is the depth? Depth will be, the depth is through. Okay, the drill is through which is beyond 15. So let's write minus 16. Okay, Q is your incremental depth of cut, R is your retraction, F is your feed. Clear? Then coordinate of the second point, X 25, Y 25, X third will be X 25, Y minus 25, fourth will be X minus 25, Y minus 25. Okay, then take the tool in positive direction, G00 Z5, then your spindle off, coolant off, then homing G28 G91 Z0 G28 G91 X0 Y0, then M30. Okay, so let's talk about this term. What is ZRF, QRF? This is the total depth. Okay, Q is your incremental depth of cut. Incremental depth of cut. R is your retraction. F is the feed. Okay, so this is all about your drilling operation. The program starts from here and at here.